By the end of this video, you're gonna know about a brand new tool that allows you to create your own AI agents and AI chatbots in just a few seconds. And this is pretty much gonna help you automate any task that you could think of. For example, let's say that you wanted to create a research agent, or you wanted to create an agent that can go through your email. This can actually do that for you. In fact, there are 3 different ways that you can create your own AI agents and chatbots with this tool, so we're gonna go through each and every single one of them and a bunch of different use cases that these are helpful for. Okay, so the first way that you could build an AI agent with this tool, literally, you're just gonna log in right here. You're gonna come to the bottom left-hand side right here, and this is going to say AI Engineer. If you click on this, it's going to give you 2 options. You can create your own AI agent, or you can create a custom chatbot. So if we click into create your own AI agent, this basically now brings up a chatbot, which is going to help us create our own AI agent. And you could do this in 2 different ways. First, you could click on custom specifications right here, where you can name your agent and give custom specifications, which will literally go ahead and create your agent for you. Basically, you just give it a detailed natural language specification for the agent and specify what inputs it should expect and what it should do with those inputs and what outputs it should show in return. And then this will actually go ahead and create the agent for you. Or what you could do is they have a bunch of different templates here. For example, let's say that we wanted to create a research assistant agent, which is an agent that helps research the latest papers on a given subject and gives us out a readable summary. We could click on this right here, click submit, and this is going to go ahead and this is actually going to build this. Now this does take a few minutes, but once this is done, it's pretty crazy. So as we can see here, this AI engineer got to work. It executed on all this code, built all this code in order to build out the AI agent. And now guess what? If we come down here, it executed its result. It says that it was completed successfully, and then it's actually registering the agent, which is going to do a sanity check of the node function locally to ensure that it works as expected. It's going through and actually executing that, and now it's continuing to go back to work to finish this up. And now what this did was actually ran a local check, and as we could see here, this shows that the function worked as expected. It successfully fetched the papers that it wanted, it generated a summary using an LLM, and it handles both cases with and without email. So now what this is doing is actually going ahead and creating the agent with the Create Agent API. And as we could see here, this says that the agent has now been successfully created. We could click on this right here, and if we come down here, we could see that this is now getting deployed. Okay, so now this is completely done, and this is pretty crazy. We can see the agent right here. We could see the different workflow for it. We could test the agent, or if we want to actually access the agent, we literally just click right here and we'll be able to access it. So now what this is asking us to do is to integrate to proceed. So I need to take a moment, sign into my Gmail account, and then I'll show you what this actually does. Okay, so here's what I want this to do. I want this to go through and actually do some research about the effects of TRT in young males. And then I just put a random email in here that I have. I don't check this email, so please don't email me here, but I'm going to submit this right here. And now what this is going to go ahead and do is actually execute on this agent. Now, if you wanted to build your own custom chatbot, again, you would just click on AI agent, you would click in here to create a custom chatbot, and then this is going to walk you through a workflow. It's going to ask for a name, it's going to ask for what you want the bot to actually do, and any knowledge that you want to train it on, and then you're going to be able to build your own custom chatbot on whatever training knowledge you have, literally in just a few seconds. So what I told this right here is that I want to create a TikTok hook generator, and I want it to be trained on a list of viral different hooks that I have. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to update this in here. So upload a file or zip, and now I can drag and drop the file in here. So I'm literally just going to click on this. I'm going to come over to my computer. I'm going to type in TikTok hooks because I should have a bunch of TikTok hooks here. And then I'm going to type in hooks here. I'm going to click on 100 short form viral hook ideas, and I'm going to put this in here. And then this is going to train my chatbot based on this data. I'm going to click submit, and this is going to go ahead and actually build this out for me. Okay, so as we can see now, this chatbot is going to be accessible. All we have to do is click right here, and now we have access to an AI assistant that generates viral worthy hooks for TikTok videos. So I'm going to say I am making TikTok video about an AI agent that lets you automate tasks. give me a few good hooks for it. Now remember, this is trained off of that list of all those other viral hooks, and look at what this just did. This literally just gave me a bunch of different hooks here in just a second. It even adds in emojis and tells us exactly why this works. Now this is perfect because this is saving a bunch of time that I have, and if I just used a regular LLM, it wouldn't actually give me good responses. You want to know why? Because what it would do instead is just tap into the LLM and not take into consideration all the different viral hooks that I trained this on and the original prompt that I created this with. And again, you can literally create this for anything that you are trying to do, creating newsletters, creating blog posts. The opportunities are endless here. Whatever you can think of that you want a chatbot to continually create, you could train it and boom, it'll be able to do it. Now, before I show you the final way that you can create AI agents with this tool, for example, one that actually opens up your email and reads through your most recent ones, I wanted to remind you that you can go to the pinned comment below and get started with these tools for only $10 a month right now, which by the way is an absolute no-brainer, because some of these use cases that I'm going to share with you are going to help you save hours, if not hundreds of hours, which basically means that this tool pays for itself. And now the final way that you can use this tool as an AI agent is using their AI agent operator. So if we click into operator right here, we could literally ask this anything that we wanted to do, or we could use some of these pre-built ones right here. For example, I'm going to tell it to open Gmail and open my most recent email. Now, of course, that's a pretty basic thing to do, but once it's logged into your Gmail, you could literally just chat to this, and then guess what's going to happen? This is going to go through and do whatever you want it to do. For example, if you wanted to go through a bunch of different emails, you literally just tell it to do that, and boom, it's going to be able to do it. So what this is doing right now is navigating over to Gmail, and then it's going to prompt me to sign in here. So I'm going to tell this right here. Again, we're going to use my burner email here, credits for last users at gmail.com. I'm going to say, put that in there. This is going to go ahead and type this in here. And then for the password, I'll actually have to do that myself so that it's safe. And obviously I'm not giving my password to this tool. Okay, so as we can see here, this now has access to my email, and what I'm going to say is please mark all of my emails from today as unread. And what this is going to go ahead and do is go through and mark all of my emails from today as unread. Or what I could get it to do is summarize all my emails. I could tell it to mark some emails as unread unless they fit a certain criteria. In fact, any task that you could tell a person, you could tell this to do, and this is going to go ahead and actually do that. Okay, so now we can see here, this is literally going through, it is grabbing all the emails that are from today, and then it's going to mark them all as read. And again, this tool is going to be as good as the prompts that you give it. You can train it over and over again to get better at doing this, and eventually it's going to be able to manage your email seamlessly. Now let's dive into some of the crazy use cases that you can actually do with this. In fact, I have 5 of them for you, and the last one is by far my personal favorite because in the past, this task caused me a lot of anxiety and a lot of stress, but now I just let AI automate it. Okay, so the first use case that I have for you is going to be email management. Like I shared with you earlier, you could get this done with the operator feature by you training it and having it log into your Gmail, or what you can also do is if you come into AI Engineer right here and click on Create an AI Agent, they actually have a template that allows you to more easily manage and answer emails. If you click on this right here, Email Answering Agent, this can read your unread emails, it can draft answers to them, and it can send them. Again, you'll have to build this out and you'll have to train it, but this is incredibly helpful. The second use case is going to be using this to book flights. So if you come into Operator right here, you could ask it to do something like show me available flights for Greece. And then it can actually log into your Expedia account or log into whatever account you use to book flights and go ahead and actually book those flights for you. The third use case is going to be managing your calendar. Again, like I showed you earlier, you could have this actually log into your Gmail, and it is incredibly helpful because it's going to be able to access your Gmail. Let's say that somebody wanted to cancel a meeting and reschedule it. You could literally just say to this tool, hey, please go ahead and reschedule my meeting with this person, and then please schedule the Zoom meeting for a new time. And what is this going to do? It's going to go ahead and email them. It is going to go ahead and look up a new time based on your calendar, and then it's going to go to Zoom, create that call. It'll link with your Gmail, and then it can actually email it to that person. And like I said, there are still 2 other insane use cases that you could do with this. Next one is going to be building a news reporter agent, which is going to allow you to summarize and provide insights about the latest news on a given topic. Personally, I find this incredibly helpful because it's how I create videos like this. I have this set to look for news in the AI niche, and then I know exactly what things I should be talking about, and I have that summary, which guess what? I can then put into the chatbot that I created to create my YouTube scripts, and boom, I literally get the news updates automatically. I just take that summary, it goes into my chatbot, it creates my full-length YouTube script, and then I just have to create it. And then my last and final use case that I absolutely love with these AI agents and chatbots is if we come down here, is this portfolio tracker agent. I used to spend so much time checking my stocks every single day, all the time, to see if I should sell, to see if I should buy, but I don't have to do that anymore because I set up a portfolio tracker agent that literally creates a summary of the latest news about the stocks that I own and the stocks that I want to own, and it gives me updates when they're at a certain price where I should buy or a certain price that I should sell. Now, if you like this video, you're going to love this video right here that walks you through how you can access ChatGPT, DeepSeek, Claude, and a bunch of other LLMs all from one single tool. I'll see you over there.